How to start secret chat on Telegram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can start secret chat on Telegram. If you want to start a secret chat on Telegram, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, you have to open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you have opened up your Telegram app on your mobile device, you have to go to the chat screen by tapping on the chat icon. So once you are here, you have to tap on the pencil icon or the new chat icon which is on the. So here you can see that. Once you are here, from the list of the contact, you have to select the person you want to start a secret conversation with. Also, you can go for the one of the message here. Once you are here, you have to just tap on the three dot here. So you can go for their profile and tap on the three dot. So once you are here on their profile, you can see a start a secret chat option. Just tap on start a secret chat. So are you sure you want to start a secret chat? Just go for the start option. So here you can see that you can easily start a secret chat. Here you can see that the both user need to be online to start a secret chat. So this way you can easily start a secret chat on your Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.